Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about two bronzers from Physicians Formula. I did go over these bronzers when I originally got them and other items from the organic wear line, but I'm going to dedicate this video specifically to these two bronzers. I've been getting a lot of questions recently in regards to them. So today's video is on the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Sculpting Bronzer. I have two shades. I have Mocha, and I forgot the other one. I always forget the other one. I had to go online and search what it was called. It's Toffee. So it's Mocha and Toffee. Toffee is the light one. Mocha is the darker one. I'm going to probably repeat that so many times just so it ingrains into my mind. And I'm probably going to mess it up somewhere. So Toffee. Toffee is the light one. I'm going to swatch that right here. Toffee. See if that kind of focuses in better. Then Mocha, which is the darker one. I'm going to swatch that one next to it. Sorry for the crooked swatches. So Mocha, Toffee. So as you can see, both of these shades, they are more golden undertone. They're not red, they're not orange. I guess one can say that the Toffee one is slightly orange, but it's more golden. So, okay, what shade is gonna work for who? That's usually the main question. If you are looking into Toffee, which is the lighter one, it's gonna work if you're porcelain skin to about medium skin tone. If you're tan and you try to use Toffee, it's probably not going to show up. I'm just letting you know that so you don't waste your money and go with the light one. If you're tan to deep rich, you could use the Mocha. Okay. You can use the Mocha too if you're porcelain. Just go real light-handed. The other thing I'm going to say is these are very creamy. These are very pigmented. So don't sleep on it just because it's drugstore, just because it's Physicians Formula. It's very pigmented. I like to apply, I tap my finger into the product and tap it onto my face, which is exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to show you guys. And I'm going to show you that for my skin tone, both will work. But you're going to get slightly different result using Mocha versus Toffee. But they both will work. So if you're not into like a super bronzed look or sculpted, I mean, that's perfect because in the title, it's the Sculpting bronzer. It's going to give you that sun-kissed look, but if you have more color, it's going to make you look, you know, more like chiseled. So, all right, let's just go into applying it. I'm going to do one side of my face one, the other side of my face another. So for the right side of my face, we are going to use Toffee, which is the light shade. So now it's a bronzer, it's not a contour, and it's not cool toned, so don't put it under your cheekbone. You're going to just put it like on your cheekbone and kind of like on top because you want it to mimic bronzer. So if you're not sure where bronzer goes, it goes where the sun naturally hits your face. So if you're underneath the sun and you're kind of like, you know, the sun is over your head, it's going to hit the tops of your cheeks. It's going to hit your forehead. It's going to hit your nose, sometimes your chin. It's not going to hit under your cheekbone unless you're laying in the sun like completely like this, which, you know, you're not. So again, this is Toffee. You can see there is color developing. It does give me a bit of a bronzy look. So if you're like, if you appreciate more natural looking bronzer, not that the other one isn't going to be natural, but a lighter bronzer, Toffee would be a great choice for you. See? Next, I'm going to do Mocha on this side. This one's going to be more noticeable. This one's going to give me that really like sun-kissed kind of sculpted look, as the bronzer is titled. See? This one I would definitely recommend just going light-handed because if you stripe it on your face, it's going to be very heavy. All right, so here I have a hair that's, okay. See how it's more noticeable? And of course, I mentioned this before in another video. Whenever I'm applying a cream product, especially over foundation, I prefer a tapping motion because I find that when you start to swipe it, it completely disturbs the makeup or wipes off the foundation. So I like a tapping motion. Of course, you can always go with the brush. I have here the Echo Tools. It's a stippling brush. All my brushes are dirty, so picks up a nice amount of product. See? And you can just stipple that. And take it to your forehead as well. Now, because it's a stippling brush, I can kind of blend it because the bristles are softer. So, see real quick. Okay, so I put this one on. This is the Mocha. You see how this is like, it's sun-kissed, like my face looks like, you know, it's a little more chiseled versus this side, it's softer. So that would be the difference in the shade. That would be the difference in Toffee and Mocha on someone my skin tone. If you're lighter skin tone than I am, if you're more like porcelain or just light, you can still use Mocha, but again, I would use like a stippling brush. I would just go light-handed. It all depends on the finish you want. But of course, the safest bet will be Toffee. So if I were to choose right now which one I would use, I would probably go with Mocha because I like the way this is looking. And again, it's light. It melts into the skin. It's not sitting on my face bad. It's not exaggerating. It's not highlighting any textures that I have on my skin. I like that. I'm going to take it down my nose. Again, I'm using this as like a bronzer, not so much a contour. And if you guys know, you follow me, I really don't... I don't contour my nose. Okay, probably went a little bit too heavy-handed on that one. Let's go back with my foundation brush. There. Let me clean off this brush. I'll go in with a Toffee on this side just to see if I can, maybe I can pick up more color. Yeah, all right, so that's more color this time. And then this is Toffee. A stippling brush is going to be nice if you're not used to working with cream products too, because it's not going to apply it heavy. So you see how the bristles are, they're longer at the top and then there's something more dense inside. It's going to blend the product out really nice. So there you can see the difference. I'll pull back and I'll even actually dim this light a bit. So I dim the light. You could see this side it has more warmth. It looks more bronzy. This side is, you know, I still look like I was out in the sun. I look like I got some color, but you know, there's a slight difference. So that's really the difference in that. And then again, I just want to repeat the point that if you are tan and deeper, I would skip the Toffee, go straight into the Mocha because it's probably not going to show up on your skin. Like I know in a few weeks when I'm outside more and I get more color, this is not going to work for me anymore, the Toffee. But it works good when I don't have a tan or right now. So I hope that helps. I hope that I answered some questions. If you guys have any other questions in regards to these two products, feel free to comment down below. And yeah, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It helps out my channel. So I hope to see that you're joining me on my little journey here, playing with makeup, trying makeup on, and kind of helping you guys out. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.